Hi buddies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to testing out your slime recipes which you gave me. And today's video like target is 250 likes. Let's see that we'll achieve this target or not. So now without wasting much time, let's get started. Let's go. So this time I'm going to choose your slime recipes with this application. So the comment it picks, I'm going to make that recipe. So our first recipe is by Mukesh Sharma 123. So she says that take chewing gum ping 1 and stretch it from your hands. Then mix it in Colgate and stretch it again. Ready? Okay, let's make it. So here I have these chewing gums. So first let's just take them out. So now we have to just mix all of them together with our hands. So let's start. So I have mixed all the chewing gums together and it looks something like this. Well, it looks good. So now we have to just take our Colgate and mix it with our hands again. So after mixing it for around 4 to 5 minutes, our slime looks something like this. You can see that it is so stretchy but it is so sticky also. So I'm going to give this recipe 7 out of 10. Why 7? Because it is so sticky. So our next recipe is by Priyonti's Art and Craft. Sorry if I pronounced it wrong. So she says that take Fevicol, add salt, pour water, pour paint, mix, pour activator, done. So here I am adding some Fevicol in a bowl. Now here I am adding some salt in it. I think that this much is enough. Now let's add some water. So instead of paint, here I am adding some food color in it. So this time I am going to add 2 different food colors. So let's see that which color comes out. Now let's just give it a good mix. Now it's time to add some activator in it. So our slime looks something like this. I know that it is not slime and it is not even looks like slime. So I'm going to give this recipe 3 out of 10. Why 3? Because this recipe doesn't work. I don't know why. If I do something wrong, then let me know in the comments. Now let's see that what is our next recipe. So our next recipe is by Paru P. Ajay. So she says that first take Fevicol, white glue and add salt and baking soda into another bowl with water. Then add a little bit of activator and stir. Your slime is ready. Hope you read this. Yes, I read this. Now let's do this recipe. Well, this recipe is same like the previous one, but it has a little bit more ingredients. So let's just try this. So here I added Fevicol in a bowl. Now let's add salt in it. Now let's add a little bit baking soda. Wait, I messed up. I have to mix baking soda and salt with water in another bowl, but I mixed it with Fevicol. I'm so sorry, Paru. So sorry. Now let's see that what's going to happen. So let's just keep this bowl aside. Now let's just take our another bowl. So here I am adding water in it. Now add some activator in it. Now let's add this water in our Fevicol mixture. Now let's see that this recipe is gonna work. So let's just mix it well. So now our slime looks something like this. I know that this is not looking good and this is not even looks like slime. So I'm going to give this recipe a 5 out of 10. Why 5? Because I didn't read the recipe carefully and I don't know कि वो recipe work करती या नहीं. So that's why I'm going to give it 5. So our last recipe is by Tajneen Hussain. So she says that pour toothpaste in a bowl, pour water, mix it, add color, add flour, mix, done. So this time I am going to read it carefully. Now let's just go and make this recipe. So here we have our bowl. Now let's add some toothpaste in it. Now let's just add some water and then mix it well. Now let's add some food color in it. Let's mix it well. Now we have to just add some flour in it and after that we have to mix it again. So now our slime looks something like this. I know that this is not looks like slime, but it feels good. And I think that if we add some oil in it, then it is gonna work. So I'm going to give this recipe say 6 out of 10. Why 6? Because this recipe kind of feels good. So that's why I'm going to give it 6. I'm so sorry for those jinki recipe I didn't try. But I'm sure that I'm going to make more parts of it and I'm going to try your recipe also. So yeah, that's all about today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is creative_letsbe. So go and follow me there also. Till next video. Bye.